Okay, people, finally, we found Lucky after 2 days missing. Okay. I see. Okay. See. Action lah. He's probably living at the stay at the other residence house. A bit snob. Waggy, Waggy, what is this? Ada sayang mami. You wingling ah. Ada sayang mami. Okay. Waggy can't see ah. You. Waggy can't see ah. Ayah. Waggy can't see. Okay. 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 Ayah. This is Waggy. Okay. Can see two duck. Waggy, are you a snob? Waggy. Waggy. Putih, sayang mami. See? Waggy. Waggy. Don't you miss mommy? Come to my house. Come to mommy house. Come. Waggy. Waggy. Everybody miss you. Everybody miss Waggy. Waggy don't miss people. You don't miss me ah? Waggy. You bald. Okay, you're bald. Yeah, this way. So cute. You cute, is it? You cute. Okay. Come. Okay. Okay. Okay, please. Okay, follow mommy. Come. Okay. Come. Okay. I need to. Come. Come. I have meeting, Lucky. Come. We go home now. Come. Waggy. Waggy. Come. Waggy. Come. Waggy. Scared about Waggy. Come. Come to mommy house. Come. Come. Waggy. Waggy. This is so warm. Lucky being a snob is look at his fur. Look at his backside. Ayah, Waggy. Waggy. Waggy, go. Lucky, mommy, I have meeting. I have meeting soon. Come. Come, Lucky. Waggy. Waggy. What happened to you, Waggy? Can you come home later? Huh? Can you stop killing the mice? They did nothing to you. We have food provide for you. We have everything for you. You sick, we bring you to the vet. What? What happened? Okay? Come follow mommy. No, Lucky, don't, no. Leave the mice alone. Lucky, come follow mommy. Okay. Lucky's a bit snob. Ay, you know. Yeah, sucker. Bad boy say, you're a snob. We don't do snob. Okay? Mommy got meeting lah. I have meeting soon lah. Mommy have meeting. So, come baby. Try. Come with mommy. Okay. 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 Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Not coming. This is called free spirit boy, okay? Free spirit Comcat. He just come, ask his please, and then he miss you, he come. Okay, see? Okay, okay. He got the mood to play. Ayah sayang, mami. Ayah sayang. Come, baby. Wagi, 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 wagi. Come, come, baby. Wagi, come, wagi, wagi. Oh my God. It's more interest with the Wagi. Okay. This boy. Okay, you want to go home with mommy? Okay, I'm very late. Hey. Where's the ball? Oh. Okay, drop. And this is very dangerous for mommy. Oh. Oh, what? Ayah. Okay. Okay. Play ball with mommy. Okay, done. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay, mommy cake. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Ooh. You know, you're very old. Don't know where you get those energy. Lucky, where are you going? Come home with mommy. Achik, come. You are not allowed to play ball. That's the roadside there. The ball goes to the road. You get killed. Come here. Come to my house. Come to my house. Come. Wagi, can you please come to my house? Come, baby. Come here. Lucky, mommy, I got meeting. Lucky, I'll be late. Lucky, I need to arrange the Zoom. Come, Lucky. Okay, I'm come. I'll go home. Later you come, You're not even interest in. I'm sorry. I have to throw away the balls. It's not that I don't let Lucky playing, but we are living. We live nearby the busy road. Yeah, when cats, when they're playing, they completely forgot their own safety. So that's why I better throw away the balls. We do have balls for him to play, so if you want to play balls, he can play at home or safe. We close the door, but on the outside like this, I won't allow because I'm worried the ball will will fall to the root, and then they will try to catch. Overexcited cat can always get killed. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, I don't mean to be cruel. It's just that I try to protect him. Okay, everyone. I'll see you again. Bye bye.